Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mostly Programming. My name is Vivek Garg and this is lesson 14 of learning Python scripting from scratch. In today's video, we are going to see the concept of while loops in Python. The scope for today's lesson is while loops, the syntax of while loop, continue statement, break statement, and that's all. In today's video, we are going to discuss the following four concepts: while loop, syntax, continue statement, and break statement. We are going to see some Python scripts as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that right now because it's free. Also press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from Mostly Programming. Also follow us on Instagram. It is @mostlyprogramming because we come up with new practice and quizzes every day. Let's go to PyCharm and see what is a while loop and how can we use it. So basically, with the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. Yes, in while loop, the condition is checked, and as long as the condition is true, the set of statements written inside the while loop block are executed. Let us see an example. I'm taking a variable I, which I'm giving initially the value 1. Then in the next line, I'm going to use the while loop. Here, while I less than 6, colon, then I'm simply going to print I, and then I'm going to update it. Let me just go, and I is equal to I plus 1. Let's execute this and see what is the output. So as I click on the run, we will see the output now. And the loop is executed. So starting from 1, I is equal to 1 while I is less than 6. 1 is less than 6, that means it is true, then I is printed. Then I is updated to I plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 is still less than 6, 2 is printed, then I is equal to 3, 3 is less than 6, 3 is printed, 4 and 5. Now 6 is not less than 6, therefore 6 is not printed. If it would have been I less than equal to 6, then we will observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these numbers are printed. So that's how basically a if loop works. This is the initialization part. Let me just write here initialization. Right, then this is the conditioning part, while condition, then the remaining is the statements, and the last one is the updation. Because if we eliminate the updation part, the loop is going to be an endless loop because there is not going to be any limiting factor there. So this was a basic example of a while loop. Let us now see the break statement. That what is a break statement and how it is useful to us. So we can stop the while loop even when the condition is true by using a break statement. I'm going to use the same code, but I'm going to add some things here. So I'm basically going to use a if statement. Here I'm going to write if I is equal to 3, a colon, then break. That means if I is equal to 3, the loop would be terminated. Let us run this and see if we are able to achieve a desired output. Yes. So basically what a break statement does is when a particular condition is met, it terminates the whole loop. So this could be used when we need to terminate a loop when a desired condition is met or a particular value is achieved. So that's how a while loop is used, and a break statement is used to terminate the loop when a condition is met. Now there is another statement that is used with the while loop or any other loop, which is the continue statement. What is basically the difference between the continue and break statement is that break statement terminates the whole loop when a condition is met, whereas the continue statement only terminates that particular iteration and the loop continues from the next iteration itself. Let us write the Python script for the while loop with the continue statement now. So what I'm going to do here is make some changes, or let's rewrite the code again. So I'm going to take a variable I, which is in the initialization phase. So I'm going to take a variable I and giving it a value 0. Then in the next line, I would write while, and there I would write the condition that we have been using. I is less than 6. Then I'm incrementing the I plus is equal to 1. This basically means I is equal to I plus 1. Then I'm checking if I is equal to 4, and if this particular condition is met, I'll just write a continue statement inside it. Then out of the if block, I will print I. Now what this continue statement would do here, it would basically skip 4 out of the output and remaining all the iterations would be achieved. Let me just see. I is equals to I plus 1. Okay, I wrote the syntax wrong. I is equal to I plus 1. So let's rerun the program, and now we will see that 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 is printed, but 4 is skipped. So that's the basic difference between a break statement and a continue statement. A break statement terminates the whole loop when a particular condition is met, but a continue statement just skips the iteration where the condition is met and the remaining loop continues. I hope the concept of how to use a while loop, what is its syntax, and where do we need to use a continue statement or where do we need to use a break statement is now clear. If you have any queries, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, or you can even DM me on my social media accounts. The link to those will be in the description box itself. You can follow us on Instagram, it is @mostlyprogramming. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, because your subscriptions give me motivation to make more such videos. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing content.